Hi, my name is Gilbert. I'm an engineer here at Modern Treasury. I want to show you the new bulk upload experience. So here I'm going to demo how to bulk create payment orders through a CSV file. If we select to our payment orders page through our navigation on the left-hand side, then select new payment order on the top right corner, and again toggle to the bulk payment order option on the top right corner again, we see there's a import payment orders button. Now, when clicking on this import payment orders button, it should launch a new modal that we could then drag in our CSV file or click upload data from file and select. Here, I'm going to click upload data from file and select the CSV I already have prepared. The first step here is to confirm that the header row. So my header row is the first row, and it has already detected that the first row is a header row, and so I can just click yes, or if it wasn't the case, I could always select it and then click yes. So here I'm going to click yes and confirm. The next step here is to make sure that the headers in my header row all map to the designated field that I wanted. As we scroll down, yes, you can ensure that each one maps correctly, and if they don't map correctly, you could always select this description should be either kind of a different field or and you can map to the correct one. But here in this case, it looks all correct in my case. And we can continue once confirming every single field is mapped. I see no errors, and then we can click review for the next step. So in the first review step here, simple validation is to ensure our formats are correct. So in this case, our date format now should always be year, month, and date with hyphens. So if we just cleaned it up, and we can do that inline now. We could also hover over the headers to get kind of more details of what each field really means and how to format them. We also want to ensure that this CSV that's been parsed and uploaded looks like the one that I had prepared. Make sure nothing looks off. You should go through this carefully. This all looks good to me, and we can continue. Clicking continue and confirming to submit will perform further validations and creation of these payment orders if everything was correct. But in this case, we found 2 records with errors, and we will return back the errors and exactly what the problem was. So it says here that the payment type and direction is not supported, and we can look at the type and the direction, and the reason is the direction is a direction that we don't support. It's incorrect direction. We actually want to credit our counterparty here. And we can ensure that there's no further errors. There's also a toggle here if you are uploading many payment orders and sometimes only one has an error, you could only show the ones with problems. Incorrect, this is a typo for individual. Once confirming that everything looks correct again and we fixed our problems, we can click continue and submit again. It will again validate, and if it passes validation, we'll create our payment orders. Here then we successfully processed the file and created the payment orders. And it will redirect us back to the payment orders page and you can see our new ones. If you have any further questions, feel free and don't hesitate to reach out, and hopefully they can be answered promptly. Thank you.